Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is my general video for the month of August, and let's see what's the message for you. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. For personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for the zodiac sign of Aries for this month. So we have the Four of Pentacles, the Nine of Swords, the Six of Swords, the King of Wands, the Magician, okay, the Five of Swords, the Judgment, the Moon, and the Page of Pentacles. Okay. So Aries, you are holding on to something. Okay, either you are closed off, or you're keeping it to yourself, or you're holding on to something. So whatever it is which you are not either sharing with others, or you are not opening up, whatever it is causing you a lot of anxiety. It can be the anxiety is because of the fact that you are not sharing it with anyone. It can be that also, but whatever the reason is, either you are holding on to something, it can be a grudge, it can be anything else. Okay, but you are keeping something to yourself, whatever it is. Okay, and it is causing you a lot of anxiety. Okay, you want to let it go, you are working on this situation, you are trying to let it go, you are choosing peace, and if you are not doing that, then you are advised to do that. So anyway, slowly and steadily you are trying to release this, whatever this anxiety is for you. Okay, either you will share it with someone or talk about it, or you do that in a work yourself, whatever it is, whatever, however you do so, but you are ultimately trying to release it because it is really stressing you hard, it is really causing you a lot of sleepless nights. Okay, so you are really working on it. Whatever mode you choose, you want to share it, it's fine. If you don't want to share it, you feel you have to do this work yourself, then also it's fine, that's your choice. But anyway, you are trying to release it, you are choosing peace over this turmoil, or this emotional uh, anxiety, what this situation is calling you. But 100% people don't know about it, people don't know about it, that is for sure. Okay, but then when you release it, once you are able to tide over this, once you are able to let go of this situation, you will feel good about yourself, you feel positive, you feel good, you feel confident about yourself. Okay, or you can say that you are regaining your own power. Okay, and then we have the Magician, the Five of Swords. So definitely once you are able to let it go, you are feeling good about yourself, you're feeling confident about yourself, and you are in a position to manifest something new. So there is a new beginning coming in once you are able to release whatever needs to be released. Okay, there is a new beginning, you know that now you are capable of it. Since you have let go of their anxiety or whatever was troubling you, you are in a perfect position to manifest whatever you want with full confidence. Okay, and you are doing it. But with the Five of Swords here, there is something here which is causing self-sabotage, or there is some drama going on here. Okay, there is something definitely with the Five of Swords which you need to be cautious about. Okay, it can be that somebody is trying to be bossy here, somebody is trying to, I should say. So one more thing is, don't be too overconfident. If it is you who causes that sabotage yourself by being overconfident, that is one guidance which is coming up. Otherwise, be cautious of people whom you are trusting, because what I feel is there is something which can cause some sort of drama in this new manifestation, whatever you are manifesting over here with the Magician. But ultimately, whatever this drama is, there is some decision which has to be taken. Okay, there is something, we have three major cards out here. So what I feel here is, once you regain that self-confidence, once you feel good about yourself and you feel that, okay, now this is the right time, I can manifest something new, there is something which is happening here with the Five of Swords. Okay, and that is not good in the manifestation of whatever new you are planning to do. Okay, so there is a check over here. Then we have the Judgment, the Moon, and the Page of Pentacles. What I feel is there is a major decision coming up over here. You need to make a decision. It can be something related to the past. It can be something which comes back to you once again, and now it is the time that no, I have to decide this. I have to take a decision. It's something like that. But there is a decision over here which has to be taken in the light of the facts which are not very clear to you. So decision has to be taken even if you really don't know what the outcome of the decision may be. Okay, maybe the facts are still not very clear. Okay, there is some sort of uncertainty over here. Either it can be that you are taking a decision, what the outcome will be, you are not very sure of that, but still you have to take it anyway. So there is something like that. There is some sort of something which is not very clear to you, but whatever decision has to be taken ultimately has to be taken on the basis of your own intuition. Okay, whatever your intuition says. Okay, so anyway, the path here is a little bit, maybe you are not very sure of whatsoever what this Five of Swords is. Who is this Five of Swords? Who is sabotaging, or what is this reason which is causing, which is hampering this new manifestation or the new beginning which you've started? So maybe you don't know what it is. Maybe that is why this lack of clarity is. But whatever it is, you have to take some decision over here. And there is definitely a lack of clarity. Things are not very clear in the path ahead, maybe after this decision. But then with the Page of Pentacles, definitely there is something which is a small step forward will be taken in this direction, in some direction. And this seems to be this new beginning which you are taking, which you are trying to manifest over here. Okay, so let's see what is the message from this deck. What is the message from this deck for Aries? What do Aries need to know? Okay, so we have the Eight of Hearts from this deck, and we'll take one more card from the guidance of the angels. Okay, so let's see what is the guidance from the angels. What is the guidance from the angels for Aries? Guardian of action. Okay, it is a time for you to set up and be a leader. Your natural leadership skills are being called into action. This is your moment in the sun, so move into the light and shine all for all to see. This card is about a person who has the charisma and is inspiring, enjoys challenge, and loves the spotlight. And as far as this card is concerned, with the Eight of Hearts, this is the Moon card of this deck. So definitely with the Moon being there, there is something which is not very clear, but you have to take a decision. Things are not clear to you, just trust your intuition and move on. Do what you feel is right. That is the only way you will get the right decision, if that is what it is. Okay, so Aries, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.